HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art!
Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I am going to show you how to make a super cute Play-Doh bingo. Doesn't he look gorgeous? So for this you're going to need white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, light brown Play-Doh, dark brown Play-Doh, a rolling pin, 2 toothpicks, and a Play-Doh knife. So let's start off with the white Play-Doh. Set some of it aside. We're going to use that later. Now we're going to make the body out of the bulk of the Play-Doh. We want to make it into this shape, and then we're going to use our Play-Doh knife to cut the 2 front legs in half. It looks a bit like a tooth, but this is actually Bingo's body. Mold it until you're happy with the shape. Cut off any excess so that his paws aren't too big. Now we're going to make his back legs. We want to take some of the excess white Play-Doh and mold it into a shape that looks kind of like a teardrop. We're then going to stick it on the side, like so. Don't forget to do his other back leg. Perfect! Now we're going to take our light brown Play-Doh and roll it flat. We're going to make some spots for Bingo, so use your knife to cut some different shapes out. Now's the time to get creative. What different shaped spots does your Bingo have? I'm using dark brown Play-Doh to add some more spots. Don't forget, your Bingo can be whatever colour you want him to be. Now it's time to add Bingo's head. We want to roll it into a pear shape. Don't forget to decorate his head with some spots too. I'm using light brown. I'm also making a patch around his eye using dark brown Play-Doh. I'm using some white Play-Doh to make his eyes. And then I'm using black Play-Doh to add detail. Don't forget to add his nose. My Bingo has a black nose. We want to attach the head to the body using one of the toothpicks. Nearly done. Of course, we need to add some ears. I'm using some white Play-Doh to do this. One of his ears is going to have some spots. Finally, we have to make his tail. I'm adding some brown spots to his tail as well. Now I'm using a toothpick to secure the tail. I don't need it to be too long, so I'm breaking the toothpick in half. And there you have it! A wonderful Play-Doh bingo. Super cute! So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel above, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Today we are going to be making an awesome Play-Doh butterfly. Now this is so easy to do and it's great for the little ones as well. All you need for this is a knife, a rolling pin, and all different colored Play-Dohs. So the first thing to do is to make the middle of the butterfly. This is just a long strip like so. Now it's time to make the wings. What you want to do is cut out a B shape after you've rolled your Play-Doh flat. Don't forget to make two, one for either side. You can use a pencil if you don't want to use a knife. So now put your wings together and put the body of the butterfly on top. Now it's time to decorate the wings. You can get creative, do any shape you want. I've got 4 big pink spots. And now I'm doing little blue dots on top. What different colours are you going to use? Now it's time to do the butterfly's antenna. And of course, eyes and a smile. And there you have it, a Play-Doh butterfly. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Put any questions in the comment box below and don't forget to put a picture of your butterfly. We'd love to see it. And we will see you again very soon. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I am going to show you how to make some really awesome Angry Birds Play-Doh. Doesn't this look great? So for this, you're going to need yellow Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, and red Play-Doh. So let's start with the red Play-Doh. We want to break off some, and we're going to take the main part and roll it into a ball. Next, we want to take some of our white Play-Doh and press it flat. This is going to be Red's tummy. So let's put it on the front of our red ball. Now we're taking some of our yellow Play-Doh to make Red's beak. It looks kind of like a pyramid, doesn't it? Stick it on the front, like so. And already, Red is starting to take shape. Now, of course, we need to do his eyes. Use white Play-Doh to make them, roll them into a ball and stick them above his beak. Isn't he looking great? Now we're going to do the center of the eyes with black. Looking good! Finally, Red isn't red without his angry eyebrows. So let's put them on. Now all we need to do is to make the feather on top. Use your excess red Play-Doh to do this. Now we're going to make Chuck. We need to make him out of yellow, of course. We want to make a sort of pyramid shape, but we want it to be soft around the edges. Next, we're going to take some of our white Play-Doh and flatten it. Add it on his tummy. Now we need to take some more white Play-Doh to make his eyes. He's already looking good. add some black for detail. We want to make a beak for Chuck as well. Add it on. And now we're going to make red eyebrows. Isn't he looking good? Finally, we want to take some of our black Play-Doh. We need to add his feather on top. Like so. And he's done! Don't they look great? Red and Chuck. Absolutely awesome Angry Birds Play-Doh. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel above, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye! Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Play-Doh cat. This looks great! All you're going to need for this is some Play-Doh. I'm using black, pink, blue, yellow, and white. Remember though, you can get creative. You can use any different colour you like. So the first thing we're going to do is to make the body. I'm using the blue. I'm also making a tummy out of the yellow. My cat's head is going to be yellow too, as well as his paws. I'm using a little bit of pink Play-Doh to add some detail to the bottom of the paws. Stick on the arms. And then pop on the head. And don't forget the legs. Remember, you can position the arms any way you like. Don't forget to do a tail. And of course, some ears as well. Now I'm adding detail to the face. I'm doing 2 white eyes. I'm doing 2 white eyes with blue eyelids and pink eyebrows. I'm doing the detail of the mouth with 2 small blue balls of Play-Doh, a little pink nose, and a little pink mouth as well. Don't forget to add detail to the eyes using black. And there you have it. How great does he look? A really cute cat made out of Play-Doh. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below because we love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel above, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye! Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Today we are going to be making a really pretty Play-Doh flower. This is super quick and super easy. All you need is a knife, green Play-Doh, and some purple Play-Doh. Remember, you can make a flower any colour you like. Why don't you let us know in the comment box below? So the first thing I'm doing is making the petals out of purple Play-Doh. I've made a centre circle, and now I'm attaching the petals all the way around the circle. Taper the edges to give it a bit of texture. Now I'm making the stalk out of green Play-Doh. Make a long spaghetti shape. Stick your flower on top. And now, make some leaves. Attach them to the side of your stalk, like so. And there you have it. It was that quick. Remember, you can use any different colour Play-Doh to make all sorts of different flowers. Why don't you let us know in the comment box below? And we will see you again very soon. Thanks so much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Bye!